Listen up, youngin. Listen up. I'm gonna tell you something right now. You out there, you balling, getting money, got the block on lock, smash. Make sure you listen to this fucking good advice I'm about to give you right now, because it's gonna bug you out. Make sure, I don't know what age you out there doing it, but make sure your ass knows how to shave. Yeah, you're bugging. Oh, shave for what? The fuck? I always go to the barber shop. I got money. I get my shit laced all the time. My barber be there on time and all that. But you know what? When you go to prison, you don't know the barber. You don't know who the barber knows if who you got beef with, and you go sit down in that barber chair and that nigga splash you with that motherfucking razor. He about to touch you up and line you up official like this. Yeah, I had to learn that shit myself to give myself that fucking razor sharp line. I've been cutting my own shit for years, but I didn't learn. And I did learn. Matter of fact, before I went to prison, I learned how to do that. So when I got there, I was like, yeah, I'm going to go get it. My man was like, you bugging, nigga? Never go to the barber shop. Grab that razor and go cut your own shit, nigga. Go line your own shit up, nigga. You know why? Because just imagine, them shits that them niggas got in there is them old school razor joints. You know them shits that flip open? Yeah. And you go sit in that barber shop and them niggas splash you. I'm telling you, you better stop fucking around. It's not a game. Learn how to fucking shave.